WAEC 2019 Maths Objective Test. We're solving question 11. The question says if m ratio n is equal to 2:1, evaluate 3m squared minus 2n squared over m squared plus m plus n. A, it says our answer will be 4 over 3. B, 5 over 3. C, 3 over 4. And D says 3 over 5. So now when you have a question like this, they say m ratio n is similar to or is equal to 2:1. It means our m will be 2 and our n will be 1. So we substitute the values in the equation. Now we have 3m squared, that's m is 2 squared, minus 2n squared, n is 1 squared, divided by m squared. I said our m is 2 squared plus mn. M is 2 and n is 1. This is what we'll have. Now this question will give us 3 multiplied by 2 squared is 4 minus 2 multiplied by 1. And that's because 1 times 1 will give you 1. Everything divided by 2 squared is 4 plus 2 plus 1 gives you 2. 2 times 1 gives you 2, sorry. So our answer will be 3 times 4, which is 12, minus 2 times 1 is 2, all over 4 plus 2 gives us 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. Now 12 minus 2 will give us 10 divided by 6. Now we can actually find the common factors. Divided by a common factor is 2 divided by 2 divided by 2. Now if you simplify, you have 5 over 3. Now 5 over 3 is the answer to this particular question. And that's the same thing as option B, 5 over 3. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.